298.6. I've increased 4 pounds from yesterday. I did have a bowel movement this morning. I did eat pretty heavy and I drank pretty heavy. I had leftover rice and neck bones with gravy, and I also had my leftover barbecue ribs and with a barbecue baked drumstick and one small baked potato with cheese on it. I drank 4 bottles of water, and I had 3 Cokes, 2 20-ounce Mountain Dews, and one Crush, and that is it.